la la la. Okay. So you know, chori pollo in Espanol means chorizo y pollo, and typically it's served with arroz, which is rice, and a guaca salad, which is lettuce, guaca, crema, tomate. But I ain't got time for that because it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So this is what you're going to get. And now I'm going to put it into my little taco tortillas. And Spanish tortilla harinas means flour tortillas. And I think it is tortilla de maíz. That's corn tortillas, which I will show you probably what to do with those later on this week. Like, share, and subscribe.